If your Honda CR-V is sitting dead in the driveway, don't call a tow truck just yet. Most starting issues are simple fixes. Statistically, nearly half of all starting problems are caused by a weak battery or poor terminal connections. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find exactly what is keeping your engine from turning over. Start with the basics by checking your battery terminals for corrosion and ensuring your key fob battery isn't dead. Listen closely. A rapid clicking sound usually means a low battery, while a single click points to the starter motor. If the engine cranks but won't catch, you might have an issue with the fuel pump or the security immobilizer system. A jump start can get you home, but if your battery is over 4 years old, it's likely time for a replacement. Repair costs vary wildly, from a $40 relay to a $600 alternator replacement at a shop. If you're stranded, a gentle tap on the starter motor can sometimes jar it back to life for one last start. Keep a 10mm wrench and jumper cables in your trunk. They are the most important tools for any Honda owner. Remember that a little bit of blue corrosion on your terminals can completely block the electricity your car needs to start. Check those battery connections first, and you'll likely be back on the road in no time. Good luck.